Hey guys, it's Adam from wmWe.com. Today we're doing some videos and working on this bass, and I just want to give you a personal video and about my first bass taxidermy and the challenges I had with it and what I learned. And by the way, if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe and like and rate them. If you got any questions, put them in the comments. And visit our website, wmWe.com. And basically we're going to run a set of videos to teach you how to mount your own bass from start to finish. You can do it yourself at your own home and have a lot of pride in it and enjoy it at the same time. Basically, I'm going to show you my first bass I mounted in taxidermist class when I was in school. It's this bass right here, and a lot of people say, hey, looks good and everything, but me personally, I have a lot of pride in it, and I've also learned a lot from it. It's a lot of mistakes in a fish, but it's a lot of room for improvement, and I still like it. A lot of people's not going to show off a bass that you're not high quality, or for some reason you're not proud of it, whatever. But my opinion, if you mounted it and if you learned something from it, don't be ashamed to hang it up. Looking at this fish, there's a few things that I could have worked on as far as the paint job, the actual eye set of the fish, a couple of the fins. Basically your first fish, you're running blind, and you're pretty much winging it. But I am proud of the tail though, because that's how he was caught, and I preserved it pretty good, what I thought. And but basically, to all you new taxidermists, don't get discouraged, because we all got to start from somewhere. Your first fish is probably going to look a whole lot better than my first fish, and but don't be afraid to show it off and take pride in it. You learn every fish, you're going to learn something, and it just takes practice, and you don't want to get discouraged. And it might take 10 bass, it might take 20. For me, it took about 25 bass before I started to really get the hang of it. Main thing is the paint job, and that's the biggest learning curve you're gonna have is painting. But that's just my thought for the new taxidermists. Do not get discouraged, because it can be discouraging, and you will get ticked off and frustrated and annoyed, and just keep on going and have fun with it. That's what it's all about, and that's what we're here for. We got a bunch of videos to help you as best as we can mount your bass right and have you something good to look at the rest of your life. And basically we got a whole bunch of videos and step by step, and we're here for you. We're going to help you. We're going to mount this with you and help you any way we can. But anyway, I appreciate you for watching this video. Again, if you want to subscribe, we'd love to have you, and like it. And any questions, just put right there in the comments. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And go visit our website, wmWe.com, and we got a bunch of good stuff there. We got a lot of new things going on, and we're very excited. And we're jumping into this head first, and we're going to make sure everybody who wants to mount their fish can. And we're just going to help everybody we can, and we're going to have a good time doing it too. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and share it if you like it, and God bless. Have a great day.